To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap on the Reels tab at the top. Now, tap on the search icon located here. You will see an option labeled Reels you've watched. Tap See All. This section displays a comprehensive history of all the Facebook Reels you have watched, giving you full access to your previously viewed videos. You can scroll through and rewatch any reel you enjoyed, and easily find content you might want to revisit. If you tap the profile icon in the Reels tab, you will access additional options, including managing notifications, viewing saved reels, checking liked and shared reels, and reviewing your watch history also. And that's how you can easily find and manage your Reels watch history on Facebook.